Hi, I'm Since of the 2019 Acura RDX. The feature I'm going to go over with you today is how to turn on and off the collision mitigation braking system. So that's an emergency braking system that the car has standard. So it's the system that kicks in if you're approaching a car too fast and not applying the brakes. First, you'll get an indicator in the screen saying brake. If you still don't apply the brakes, the car does have the ability to brake for you. It can't always prevent a collision, but at least you wouldn't hit the car at full speed. But some people don't like the intrusion, so if you want to deactivate it, it's on by default, but if you look to the left, a little bit down, you'll see a little symbol with a car with a little star over it. So that's your collision mitigation braking system. So if you just press it, that's not going to activate or deactivate it. You press and you hold. You get a beep, and then in the top right, you'll see a little indicator. If you see the light, that means the system is actually off. So if you want to turn it back on, same steps. You just look at it, just press and hold. You hear a beep, and you notice that the light goes away. You'll also get a message in the center letting you know if it's on or off when you hold it down. I hope that helped. If you have further questions about this feature or wanted us to go over another feature, just leave a comment. Thank you and have a great day.